US hair salon. Another hair salon. It's like a nice restaurant. Let's see what this is. Chalawan Pantai. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, so as you know, there's a lot of cool stuff in Bangkok. This is road from 44. That building right there, there's stories about this one because of a haunted, it's filled with ghosts, basically. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to walk around and wander a little bit. So we're going to go down some side alleys. And we're just going to go down this one, 44 Chorong. This is in Bakran. Pretty cool stuff all around. So we're just going to see what's in a random alley and get a taste of Thailand, Bangkok. I think it's actually pretty common in most alleys. You have a massage place, you have some foreigners down there around a guest house, I think. This one is 300 baht, 350 baht. Hello. So we're just going to explore and walk around. Pretty cool houses though. I like the housing style. US hair salon. Another hair salon. It's like a nice restaurant. Let's see what this is. Chalawan Pantai. $6, $7, $8, $7 or $8. Okay. Pretty cool space. Another massage place, foot massage, Japanese written sign. That whole street is pretty cool looking. Got all kinds of another Japanese place. Homu. Art design. Dang, all kinds of cool stuff. More massage places. The street has a lot of massage places here today. And you can just explore kind of endlessly all around here. Pretty cool housing. Rooftop up there. A lot of hair salons and tourist information too. I guess there must be enough tourists that stay out in this area. Casas Separad. Looks like another nice place. Dang, that's the thing about Bangkok, is this kind of endless amount of cool looking places everywhere. This guest house is only like $10 a night. 10, 12. Sarnies. What a cool building. A little bit dilapidated up on top, but it has like a lot of character to it too. A lot of foreigners here too. Alright. I like these doors. Yeah, Bangkok, you just kind of got something everywhere, you know? It's hard to go wrong in this city. Like many people, I've been thinking about living here, and I don't really have any desire to be on Sukhumvit or Kosan Road. You know what? I think we're gonna walk down this street. So here it is. Another massage place. Enjoy massage, $2.50. Okay. So this street looks pretty cool too, so I'm just gonna keep the camera on. Go over here, daycare center, children's 1 to 4. So it's in English. I guess that implies there must be a lot of foreigners that try to stay in this Bangkok area. That's the only thing I can conclude, because there's a lot of things that I think what a Westerners would be interested in, I think. Shangri-La Hotel, okay. Well, I guess maybe they kind of come around this large hotel, I guess. Wonder how much those hotels cost, anyways. Hello, how are you? So the drivers, these drivers, they usually try to get business, so they'll usually stand out in the street and they'll just kind of look for people. See if we can get across here. More massage places, Indian restaurant. Okay. Gyms. Where's the tourist place? Hello. Oh, money exchange. Okay. Okay.